Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about how to set up email with Porkbun domain 2025. Step number 1, log in. This should take you to domain management screen. Click account at the top right and select domain management. Step number 2, locate the domain you wish to set up an email hosting address on. To the right of the domain is a row of icons. Click on the envelope icon under the email column. You will be redirected to the email hosting and forwarding page where you can purchase new email addresses, set up existing hosting or forwarding addresses, and more. All newly registered domains at Porkbun come with a 15-day free trial of the email hosting service. To configure the email address for your free trial, scroll down to the pending setup section page and then click on the configure button to the right of your listed free trial. After clicking the configure button, a menu will appear that prompts you to create a new hosted email address. Enter the email addresses or address you want to set up on your domain and create a password, and after doing so, click on the create email address button. And the page will refresh and you'll see a new section labeled current accounts that contain your hosted email address. From this section, you can open your inbox using the webmail button, and you can also renew the email address manually. That's it. Thanks for watching.